Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make Snapchat account public to private. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So let's go to our profile. So let's click on the left top corner. So just click here and just go to settings in the top right corner. Then just scroll down and let's go to privacy and control. So just click here, for example, contact me, and just click on friends. Then let's go to view my story and just click friends only or custom. But if you want custom, you have to select the friends that you want to check your story. So friends only, it's okay. So just scroll down and just click here on see me in a quick ad. Here just unselect the option, and in that way your account will be more private. So that's the way to do it, your account private on Snapchat. So if you want to modify something else, you can do it and only put friends and so on. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.